Good afternoon, guys. How you doing? So for today's vlog, we're gonna go around with the family. So yeah, happy days around here. Look at the sky. It's blue, native, and the beach. Wow, it's very lovely today. And like I said the other day, it's so quiet around here. You know, the bars and everything is like there's a little bit of something, but not much. You know, if you know what I mean. But yeah, the weather, look at the weather, the blue skies and the shore. Look at that. You see, it's really nice. So guys, as you can see at my back, right there, right there, blue everywhere. It's just like, you know, a perfect day to go around. And you know, sunshine is the main reason so people come here, because you know, some part of Europe now are a little bit cold at the moment. Sunshine 365 days, so it's really great. Sorry about the mask, guys. So by the way, I'm here at the Avenida. You see this restaurant and Napolitana. I think they're on for sale. I'm not sure, but Napolitana is still open, and they still you know, do some great pizza, but I think they are only open in the afternoon. So yeah, if you want to try some good and fresh pizza, they do, but they only open in the afternoon. So yeah, and the Bravo restaurant, it's still closed. I think they are on for sale, I don't know. And there's a lot of establishment here have been closed for a while. If you're looking for some locals, shops or everything, well, you can, you know, can find one here. It's like before, there's a supermarket out here. It's gone, it's closed. And Optica, you know, the glasses, they're closed too. Yeah, there's a lot of business have been shut down, so you will find it really, you know, really sad if you see some things are still closed. But some of businesses are open, like this one. Yum Yum. Wow, they've been here for a while, so it's nice. They're open. Look at that. And this restaurant too. They're open in the evening, and it's for reservation, I think. And what they call this? There's a hot board menu somewhere there, so keep that in mind, guys. And this one, what do you call it? La Gruta. Finest cocktail and the nicest waiter there, you know. It's my friend, forget his name. It's a really nice one. So guys, I think we'll see you guys later, yeah? I need to go to work. I don't want to be late again. Cheers. to the beautiful Lanzarote. Everybody's having some fun there in the, what do you call it? In Patoria. So guys, how are you? How are you guys? It's too hot out here. I'm gonna take the shades off. I'm not kindly used to the shades but talking to the camera, so here we go. So right now I'm walking because Wendy let me down the other day and I don't have any time to fix it, so hola. So now we're passing El Kiosco, number one. Oh, hola señor. The number one, what they call this? Beach bar. Well, the number one chiringuito bar here in Avenida. So come, let's go for a walk. And today temperature, I think it's about, can't see it. It's a pharmacy. So guys, today our beach is high tide. There's no sun to lie in, you know, there's no sun to put some beds and lie in the sun. There's no, because we got high tide today. As you can see, look, the water is almost here. There's water, and yeah, there's no sun to lie down.
I am TikToker of Lanzarote.
So I just passed through this wonderful guy, you know, it's really nice guy, Peter. He works in an excursion center beside Rocas Blancas. So if you want to travel around here, Lanzarote or Puerto del Carmen, whatever part of here, well, they do like excursion and everything and get a really nice discount. And we're now passing Centro Atlantico. I've been past to Rocas Blancas, beer station. There's a little bit of something, so it's really nice. And now we are here at Centro. Right there. You see, every bars and restaurant now have a little bit of something, which is great. You know, everybody's feel the heat. Everybody's working well. And the problem now is the beach. Look, there's no sand or nothing. You cannot lie down. Just so high tide, you know. And yesterday in the beach bar when I'm working, the water just overflowed because of the high tide. So it's good because the kids can play there, you know, safer. But yeah, it ruined everything, you know. No sunbeds, nothing. Just you cannot lie in the sun because it's full of water. That's the downside, but it's really nice, still nice. Look the weather. Woo, woo! Very nice weather today. It's a little bit windy, but still fine for sure. Yeah, you heard it. I'm walking right now. So we are passing the American Indian. Yeah, people there. Universal. I hope you can walk here, guys, you know, and enjoy this beautiful weather we have. be honest with you guys, I'm walking right now. It's a little bit quiet, you know. It's like, look, there's no people around. Not like the other day when I'm walking here. It's full. Right now, it's a little bit of something. So by the way, we are passing now this three big restaurants are always full every single night. That's why I remember I said in the vlog, I said, I don't know what they're doing. It's just full. Crazy, yeah? And this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that water. It's rising up. I'm gonna show you more so you can see the difference between high tide and low tide. Did you see that, guys? That's the difference between high tide and low tide. Look at that, you know. The water just overflow. And no sun at all, you know, half of the sun is in the water. And these the places are full every day. Sea view to Maritoni, to Tavern, and to the Buchaners, Valerie. This part, Sinanigans, this part, really, you know, it's way different than Central Atlantico, not like before. And look at this, guys. Look at this. What is this? There's a new what do you call this, restaurant gonna built in here. It's name of KPC, somewhere there, right there, KPC. You know what that means, guys? Kebab pizza chicken. I don't know, it's a very funny name. It's just like, you know, I hope it works well. I hope they do the best kebab and best chicken and pizza in the town. So let's wait when they open. We're gonna do some little vlogs right there. And some family upstairs. Right there. And hello. So there's a lot of people that are recognizing us. So guys, I'm gonna show you what's this. And this is the high life. Full. Look at this. You see, the water is just overflowing, so yeah. So guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's a big help to the channel. So guys, I think that's it. I'm here now at my work. I'm running as always. So we'll see you guys next time. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.